Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payments from Uscreen video subscription platform, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw payments from the Uscreen video subscription platform, begin by logging into your Uscreen account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Once in the dashboard, look for the payments section on the left-hand menu. Click on payments to access payment options. In the payments section, you'll see an overview of your account balance. Here, you can review transactions, pending payments, and completed withdrawals. Next, locate the Withdraw Funds button, usually found at the top right of the payments page. Click on Withdraw Funds to start the withdrawal process. You may need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review your withdrawal method options, typically including bank transfer or PayPal. Select your preferred withdrawal method. If you haven't set up your payment information, you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Follow the prompts to input and save your payment information securely. Once your payment method is set, re-enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm your withdrawal request. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Withdrawal times can vary depending on the chosen method. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. If there are any issues, contact Uscreen support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.